we're going to explain how to generate a JSON file. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for both humans and machines to read. There are several ways to create a JSON file, and we'll cover a few common approaches. Using a text editor. This is the most straightforward method. First, open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, Mac, or any code editor such as VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Next, you'll write your JSON data, following the specific JSON syntax. This involves using curly braces for objects, square brackets for arrays, colons to separate keys and values, and commas to separate key value pairs and array elements. Remember that keys are enclosed in double quotes key. For example, a name, John Doe, age, 30, city, New York, is a valid JSON object. After you've written your JSON data, save the file with the JSON extension data.json. This simple method works well for small JSON files. 2. Using programming languages. Most programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Java, PHP, etc., provide libraries or built-in functions to work with JSON. Let's take Python as an example. First, you import the JSON module, import JSON. Then you create a Python dictionary representing your data. For example, data equal name, John Doe, age, 30, city, New York. To write this to a file, you use the JSON dump function. This function takes two arguments, the data and a file object. You can create this file object by opening a file in write mode W. For instance, with open data JSON W as f JSON.dump data f indent 4. The indent4 argument formats the JSON output with an indentation of 4 spaces for better readability. Remember to handle potential exceptions like file not found error for robust code. Other languages have similar functionalities, often involving a JSON stringify or equivalent method. 3. Using online JSON generators. Several online tools allow you to create JSON files visually. These tools often have a user-friendly interface where you can add key value pairs, arrays, and nested objects without writing code. Simply input your data and the tool generates the JSON code, which you can then download as a JSON file. This is a convenient way to create JSON without coding, especially for those unfamiliar with programming. 4. From other data formats. You might need to convert data from other formats, like CSV or XML, into JSON. Many libraries and tools can perform this conversion. For example, in Python you could use the CSV module to read a CSV, and then use the JSON module to write the resulting dictionary to a JSON file. Similarly, tools exist for conversion from XML to JSON. This often involves parsing the source data and restructuring it according to JSON's format. In summary, creating a JSON file is manageable, whether you're comfortable with coding, prefer a visual approach, or need to convert data from another source. Choose the method that best suits your skills and needs. Remember to always validate your JSON file to ensure it's correctly formatted and free of syntax errors, as improperly formatted JSON files can cause problems for applications that read them.